Look at Heidi's outfit. Beautiful Heidi. And Zach's outfit's so cute.
It's so hot.
Was it 13?
Yeah, it's so 50, but
Yeah, that's fine.
Strawberry juice, mango, water 2.
Yes, you got it. Thank you.
2 mango.
2 mango,
Yeah.
You did 2 mango juice?
only 1.
2, please.
Mama.
Good. Good listening. I didn't pay attention. Oh, I have to put it down. Okay, so Zach really liked the halloumi cheese yesterday, right?
Yeah.
So you want more? You're talking about the square cheese, right? You're gonna eat it with bread?
Let's play I Spy.
Hmm?
Let's play I Spy.
Okay, let's play I Spy until the food comes.
I want to play I Spy.
So Heidi, you don't want falafel sandwich?
I really like their shawarma here.
Yeah. The
They don't
shawarma's
put
good.
so much stuff in it. They just put like chicken, garlic, sauce. And
Yeah, they keep it light.
You will never guess it. I spy with my little eyes something that's silver.
Silver? The phone. The phone cord.
Inside the light bulb.
that
Okay, wait. This here, right
the
here.
light bulb.
Yes.
For real? Yay! Okay, Hadil's turn. I spy with my little
No,
eye.
you got it. So you go.
Oh, I go? Okay. I spy with my little eye something that is, oh my gosh, there's so much stuff here. Okay. Something that is red.
Your hair. No, over there.
This.
No.
This.
No.
The,
No.
The,
No.
number seven. This.
No.
This.
No.
Yes,
The wall.
No.
This. The chair.
The couch.
No.
This.
No. This is pink, not red.
The light.
Yes, the lights. Good job. Go Zidane.
I spy with my little eyes something that is green.
The chairs. The hot sauce.
Green or turquoise?
This telephone.
Hadil got it.
Oh, what is it?
Oh, they couldn't even see it.
The juice.
Your turn.
No, Hadil's turn. You don't want to? Okay. Heidi's turn.
Okay. I spy with my little eye something that does it have to be inside or can it be outside?
What do you mean?
Like does it have to be here or can
Yeah,
it be
of
like-
course. Yeah, don't make it complicated.
No, like you can see. Okay, I spy with my little eye something that is
Something that is. I know it's hard to pick, right?
yeah, sorry. Something that is white.
White, the chair, the wall, the plate, the wall right there. No? Wait, inside the light, something that is white.
The wall.
Yeah, I said that, Zach. You okay? The couch, the trim of the chairs,
Oh, here's the purse.
the purse. This.
No.
Okay, Heidi, come on. Your outfit,
No.
your nails.
No.
Oh, this.
No, Zach.
White.
What? Oh, that over there.
What?
The plate.
The plate. No, not the plate. The
This.
the.
Heidi.
Oh, no.
This.
The trim, the workers,
Oh, come on, guys.
t-shirts,
It's like, just, do you really think it would be like
the AC.
something easy? I'm not like that. Like,
Okay. I know you like to complicate.
okay, fine. I'll tell you. It's that. The thermometer.
Wow.
What?
Thermometer. Oh my. Not that one. The mini
Okay, be
one.
careful with the juice on your outfit. Yes, thank you.
Ma'am, we don't have cold water, ma'am.
You don't have? Can I have ice, please? That's so weird that they don't put cold water, right?
Guys, I told you.
And yesterday too. Yeah, don't drink it all at once, Zach, because your tummy's gonna
This
hurt.
tastes
Okay?
more mango-y than yesterday.
Yeah.
Good or
Very
bad?
thick for me.
Yeah. it was thick.
No, yesterday. How would you know? You're gonna get it yesterday.
Oh, look at Zidane strawberry. Nice. How was it? So Zidane every day he ordered different juices.
I wanted to order the pomegranate.
Mom, can you give me the
Oh,
bread?
do it.
Okay. I spy with my little eye.
So far, the mango is the best.
Yeah, not my favorite. Like a
That's
3.5 out of 10.
Oh wow. Looks good though. Okay, guys, enjoy. No, thank you. Okay, our sandwiches. Sandwiches is here. Thank you. Okay, okay. Now we're talking.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Bro, just let her eat. I know.
Right?
You're taking my.
But the falafel is not as warm.
It is warm. It's look,
Yeah?
because I have everything, so I get the perfect bite.
Oh.
These thingies.
It's pretty good. Enjoy, guys. Heidi got her chicken shawarma.
Moving my. So the TikToks they are.
We're all waiting on you to take a bite.
That's good.
You're like taking a bite with her.
Good? Over 10? 9, wow.
Okay,
Can you guys
after-
notice something? Like
8.5.
for my family now, wherever I give a 10. You give 10s? I'll give a 10 if I really, really, really enjoy it. So let's see the falafel sandwich. Yeah, let's see. If I'm gonna give the falafel sandwich a 10. Maybe Hadi will give it a 10. But yesterday the falafel was so amazing.
But don't just give it a 10 because you're saying that sometimes you give it a 10. I'm sorry.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, don't talk while your mouth is open because all the food is like like a
You
dragon.
mean don't talk when you're eating?
Yeah. Thank you. Okay, guys, so we are done and the food was really good. I'm still eating her cucumbers. Zach, how was your cheese?
Good.
Good. Okay, now we're gonna leave and we're gonna go to Dubai Hill. It's small. Is this the one?
Dubai Hills.
It's not.
Dubai Hills. Yes.
You're singing
Let's
the
do
lyrics
it.
backwards.
This is then singing, guys, actually.
Guys, okay, rate his singing and rate my singing. Okay, now my singing. Okay, that's it.
Everybody wants to rule the world.
Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Zach's turn.
Okay. Welcome to your life. There's no turning back. Even while we sleep, we will find you acting on your best behavior. Turn your back on Mother Nature. Everybody wants to.
Wow, he's so good. It's so good. Amazing, Zach. Okay, guys, let's go. Okay, guys,
I like the test.
we made it. There was a little bit of struggle, but we made it. Driving wasn't easy because the exits are not as clear, especially that the navigation won't tell us where to go. Yes, because I think there's a new road. So how do you feel? You survived. You survived. You feel good, babe?
Yeah.
You survived. Do you feel good?
Ready to go on the roller coasters? Why are the old broken? Oh, never mind. I got.
Careful, Zach. B6. Okay. This is where we parked. Okay, guys, we are in. Look at Timmy's. Tim Hortons is right there. We'll go down in a minute. Okay, so it's not as busy as yesterday. Yesterday, Dubai Mall was extremely busy, but this mall is like, there is some people, but it's not crazy busy like Dubai Mall. I'm curious. I wonder if they have the same collection as us. You guys wanna come to Bath and Body to check it out? Oh, I guess not. Just talking. They have different brands.
Do you think
That
they're
we,
Justice, or is like Justice like gone?
Oh, I have no idea because they have different things here, right?
Yeah.
Like, look at the kids store. So nice. So beautiful. Oh, Toys R Us. And look, it says Toys R Us in Arabic too. This is back to school. They have so many kids stores. This is like, oh, it is Carter's. I wanted to say it's like Carter's, but it is Carter's. So nice. It's huge compared to the one we have in Toronto. Where's the kids? Okay, look what we found. Scooby-Doo's fan. And Zidane's not feeling good.
This is not Scooby-Doo's fan.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's
Good
not.
vibes. It's good vibes.
It's not Scooby-Doo.
It's not Scooby-Doo,
No.
but it looks.
Sweetie, Scooby-Doo's van is orange.
Oh. Oh, never mind then, guys.
Green, yeah.
I thought it was. It's so cute. Ta-da! So adorable, right? Okay, Zach.